I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to view your TikTok watch history. As an added bonus, I'll also show you how to delete items from your TikTok watch history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the profile icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the next screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Personal Tools section and then select Activity Center. Step 4. Tap Watch History in this menu. You'll see everything you've watched over the last 180 days on TikTok. And if you see items you want to remove from your TikTok watch history, all you need to do is tap Select at the top of this screen, tap to select the items you want to delete from your TikTok watch history, and then tap Delete. Tap Delete again when a window pops up asking if you want to delete your selected TikTok watch history. You'll see a note that your selected watch history items were deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.